and that's where all my videos are, so I can't post the videos, so here we go. I'm sorry for the letdown. I have 2.7 brothers. It's snack time. I'm gonna make sure to use my refreshing tissue. This is actually pretty good.
I'm so tricky. I have a different angle this time.
I need a straw for my water. I don't know what to do. Thanks. Oh, my dad's so helpful today. I mean, he's helpful every day. Outside, inside. I think they put like meat sauce in this bread. I am genuinely. I was. Yes, I did. I ate an apple for breakfast this morning. Sometimes unicorns are robots and they attack. And we call that robot unicorn attack. Hold on to the line, there will be no shame. Apu juice. I'll remember to keep my pinky up this time. Or is that just with tea? I'm hunky. I'm wearing earphones. Today's Thursday. I looked it up. I will never forget the immortal words, I'm being myself. Every other video is an update. 4 updates. More shiny golden apple juice. It's really good. Someone just sneezed.
Wait, hold on.
It's filming. Look at that up there. It looks like a train or something going off. Ah, I'm being run over by the train! I'll take the barf bags and rub a hole in it. I would use my camera, but I have no video editing program. Except for iMovie, but that's on my iPod, and I can't insert an SD memory card into my iPod. The results would be catastrophic. I have ordered a calendar. I am so bored of being myself.